Hello, this is me. Used to be people calling me Iguana Lady for Easter Parade from what 1994 to 2006, and I stopped Iguana Lady, and now doing that I'm photographer, freelance photographer, and usually I take a picture of the scenery and park, bridge, Queensboro Bridge, Roberto F. Kennedy Bridge, and Astoria Park, Queensbridge Park, and I take most of the picture. I send it to ABC Eyewitness News about red-tailed hawk, and look into my name, Christina Hogan, and I wanna. Sometimes I. Oh, what's that? Growly, like this. Meow! Oh, what? It's inside. Shut. Quiet. Like this. Meow! And growly.
It's purring.
Let me take a look. It's recording?
Yes.
How to do?
Press it again. You want to stop?
Yes, stop.